This is Adam with Shield Home Exteriors, the roofing and siding division of Amber Valley Construction. As your project manager, I'll make sure the materials get delivered on one day of the week. They will be roof loaded. On the following day, I'll have the dumpster placed in the driveway. And after that, our crew will show up on the third day. We'll begin taking the shingles off and assessing if there's any damage that we couldn't see beforehand. In this case, we needed to replace some rotted sheathing, some decking. You can see how our crew works together as a team to pull up the decking and get the next piece of OSB up there to put that in place. A good solid structure to begin to build on and getting that roof replaced. After we remove the layer of shingles, sometimes 2 or even 3 layers of shingles, we'll get those into the dumpster. Be sure to clean up everything at the end of the day as well. From there, we can start putting on the underlayments. So we include the drip edge, the ice and water, and the synthetic, which we're going to staple down because we don't want it going anywhere. From there, we might need to address unique issues with your home. It may be a little bit older. Step flashing's bad. We'll have to replace that and tear into the and start in the corner of the roof and start putting the shingles down, making sure to have a good pattern. And towards the end of the day, we'll be very close, if not completely finished, with getting all the shingles and everything tied up, so your house is now protected from all the weather, the wind and the rain.